Good morning for the National Weather Service here in Pocatello. My name is Carter, and this is your Southeast Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Monday, March 20th. Seeing snow showers lifting north throughout the morning hours, leading to some areas of winter travel conditions. Those will transition to a mix of rain and snow showers later part of today, as well as introduce and chance of some afternoon and evening thunderstorms as a cold front works through the area. Going to see continued active weather throughout the week as below normal temperatures persist, so seeing chances for rain and snow continue throughout the week. I'm going to be breaking that down for you this morning. Key points we're going to focus on today. Record low set yesterday at Idaho Falls. 8 degrees was recorded, and that ties the previous record set back in 1964. Going to see some scattered snow showers work throughout the day this morning. Temperatures will climb throughout the morning and early afternoon hours, transitioning to a mix of rain and snow. Winter travel conditions are expected. We do have winter weather advisories in effect for many of our mountain areas, as well as introducing a slight chance for some afternoon thunderstorms. Best chances, again, between 2 o'clock and 9 o'clock for today. Breezy winds will introduce across the Snake Plain later portions of the day into tomorrow morning. Gusts between about 25 to 40 miles an hour. Nothing too atypical for your East Idaho standards. But we are going to have some drier conditions working back in for Tuesday morning behind that cold front, with our next round of organized precipitation working through the day on Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, as chances for precipitation continue each day of the week. Satellite this morning. You can see that warm front lifting north. See to our west here, there are some thunderstorms firing off along the Sierras, so that will be continuing to work east into our area throughout the day. We're expecting those thunderstorms to develop in the Magic Valley up through the southern central mountains and east towards Pocatello in the southeast highlands for the later part of this afternoon into the early evening hours. Weather risk outlook for the next 5 days. Main concerns today center around that rain, snow, winter travel conditions with some chances for some afternoon and evening thunderstorms. By tomorrow, just looking at some lingering rain, snow showers, a little bit of breezy wind, Snake Plain, Magic Valley, but outside of that, fairly quiet weather. Just seeing some scattered rain and snow showers continue through the later part of the week. But we are starting to see that colder air begin to be introduced, so keeping with the more snow chances in the mountains as opposed to rain and snow, but still keeping those chances across our lowest elevations of the Snake Plain, Magic Valley, and South Hills. Watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. So you can see here winter weather advisories in effect for the north central mountains, eastern highlands, and southeast highlands. Generally looking at about 3 to 5 inches in the valleys, pushing up higher about 6 to 12 inches. Locally higher totals as you get above 8,000 feet and up around the Island Park region through tomorrow morning. Storm Prediction Center does have us into just some general thunderstorms for this afternoon. Main areas are going to be up through the Wood River Valley, southeast to the southeast highlands. That does include Pocatello, Burley, Twin Falls, Jerome, and surrounding communities. So certainly something to keep an eye on the side this afternoon and keep an eye on the radar. Moderate reflectivity, so I'll kind of break down the timing for you today. So seeing those showers begin to lift north, we will see at least a little bit of a break. So this warm front will lift north, lean to at least a little bit of, not skies clearing, but start to see those break up just a little bit more, become more scattered. But by 2 o'clock here, see around Burley, Twin Falls, Shoshone, going to see a line of thunderstorms begin to develop. These will become more isolated. Could see some cells, a little bit more organized line, depending on where exactly you're at. But by 4 o'clock, seeing some more scattered thunderstorms, especially in the Magic Valley, lower Snake Plain, and those will continue to work east throughout the evening hours. So by sunset tonight, still seeing some thunderstorms working through Pocatello, Burley, up through Sun Valley, Arco, through that area. So as that front swings through, we'll introduce just a slight chance for some thunderstorms. Will be the potential as well for some thunder snow in there. So certainly going to limit some visibility, some heavy precipitation as possible, and some breezy to locally gusty winds. By tonight, behind that cold front, you can see that drier air begin to work through onto the Snake Plain, and outside of just some lingering mountain showers through the early morning hours tonight. Maybe a little bit more enhancement up towards the Benida Pass, Island Park area, but outside of that, drier conditions will return for the later part of Tuesday morning. Temperatures today, overall, we've already seen our low temperatures today. Overall, going to be about the 20s, 30s, lowest areas in the teens, followed by afternoon highs in the 30s, 40s, to near 50 degrees in the Magic Valley. Snowfall amounts today, so generally going to amount to about a trace to 4 inches in our valleys, 6 to 12 as you get out into the higher elevations of the southeast highlands, eastern highlands, and central mountains, with lighter accumulations as you head out towards the Treasure Valley. Temperatures for your Tuesday, so keeping with that same temperature trend, plenty of clouds in place, won't be getting things too cold, but teens, 20s, maybe some low 30s as you head out towards Mountain Home, but outside of that, afternoon highs on Tuesday, not seeing too much of a drop, 30s, 40s to near 50 in the Magic Valley. Snowfall amounts on Tuesday, so we'll be trending fairly light as we get the most of that moisture for today, but still seeing at least an inch or two as you head further north and east, leading to some winter travel conditions throughout the morning hours, and then again, we're having that next round lift north through the later part of Tuesday into Wednesday morning. Temperatures on Wednesday, so keeping with the temperatures fairly consistent throughout the period, at least for overnight lows, but starting to see those temperatures in the afternoon begin to creep down on Wednesday. Overall starting off in the teens, 20s to low 30s, but by the afternoon only getting it back into the 30s to low 40s. Snowfall amounts on Wednesday, so that system moving in will begin to favor our southern areas as you head out towards Sweetser Summit, I-84, I-86, 15, and east into Wyoming and south into Utah. That's where we're going to expect the most snow with this system. Pretty much everyone will get on the action, but it looks like those heaviest totals, especially in the mountains, will be confined south of the Snake Plain, as well as east of kind of Driggs, Teton Pass, into the Tetons as well. Temperatures on Thursday, so keeping with that temperature trend, staying fairly consistent throughout the week again, but teens, 20s, low 30s in the morning, followed by afternoon highs in the 30s to mid-40s. Snowfall amounts on Thursday, so with that we are going to be seeing some continued light chances for snow. This time on Thursday, a little bit more confined east of I-15 for those highest totals, but as you can see, active weather continues throughout the period. We'll be off and on bouts of precipitation, but incoming shortwaves from the Pacific will keep things fairly active this week. So we had fairly quiet and tranquil weather Thursday through Sunday, but we're going to be making up for that this week with some active weather rounds working into our area. Temperatures on Friday, broken record, teens 20s to low 30s in the morning, followed by afternoon highs in the 20s, 30s, and now low 40s in the Magic Valley. And snowfall amounts on Friday, still widespread, just some scattered snow showers. Looks like heaviest totals will be up in the North Country as you head up into Island Park, Teton areas. That'll wrap up the weather briefing for today, Monday, March 20th. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please feel free to send us an email, give us a call, or check out some information on our website. Have a great day.